In order to use Narvon bag-in-box beverage syrups with a Servend brand beverage dispenser, you will need to install a compatible adapter. To do this, open the flap of the syrup box and reach inside to pull out the spout. Close the flap to secure the spout. Next, place the bag-in-box on its designated shelf. Then take the pinch clamp, a small silver ring, and slide it onto the hose connected to the dispenser. Insert the adapter into the end of the hose and push the hose to the base for a snug fit. Make sure to slide the pinch clamp to the end of the hose to meet up with the adapter. Squeeze the clamp tight, securing it around the adapter and hose. Then, remove the bag-in-box spout cap and snap the adapter onto the spout. Finally, press the adapter probe into the spout so it locks in place. The product is now ready to dispense.